I want to demonstrate the two different erasers that we're using. This one, the vinyl eraser, this would be pretty good for if you're doing a line drawing and you wanted to go in and erase some of the lines. It's good for getting rid of lines. So this is the default eraser most people are going to use, which is not great when we have a drawing that has shading on it. Because as soon as I start trying to erase this, you'll see, especially if I'm doing a dark pencil, I just start smudging the pencil all around, even in this lighter area here. It just starts mashing the pencil around. So we have these gray erasers. They're the Kneadable erasers is what they're called. They come looking like a little gray square. I've already played with this one, but they're stretchy like this. They're fun. So you stretch them out. That's part of how they'll clean. I'll do that once I get this dirty. Now the cool thing about this is I don't have to scrub back and forth with this one. I can get it stretched out like this, and it gets a little bit sticky. So say I've been doing a drawing and I went a little bit too dark, but I don't want to get my drawing all nasty and mushy. I'll take this and just push tap on the material like this, and you'll see even in these really dark areas, it's starting to lighten up a lot. But I haven't smeared anything. I haven't got rid of the sense of the direction that I was drawing in. I've just lightened what's there. Now it's dirty now. It's picked up a lot of graphite on there. So I'm going to stretch it around again. That cleans it up because it redistributes the material. Eventually it will turn into like a really nasty black tar, and then you get rid of it. It's time for a new one. But that shouldn't happen within the course of the semester. So I'll get it all sticky again, and I can go back and clean it up. Now this probably isn't going to do such, and once that's done, then it's a little easier for me to scrub like that if I really need to lighten it up. And then I could come in with this more easily as well, and I'm not going to smear things around. So you're using this to pick up material and to make subtle changes in value. It can help you get small changes in the amount of gray. It's not going to do the best job totally getting rid of something, but it's definitely the best tool for slowly lightening something back up. And then I could go back in and readjust the values to get more subtle changes.